Hello friends, I am Sandeep from Pixipace. After years of experience, I learned one thing. That is clients don't care. You're a designer, developer, or whatever you are. They only care about one thing. Are you a problem solving person or not? And believe me, you cannot set your own price if you are not a problem solver. So on this channel, I'm not only going to show you how to play with different kind of softwares. Here I am also going to teach you how to become a problem solving person so that you can get more exposure and can set your own price. So subscribe Pixipace YouTube channel and share it with your friends.